Gold traded with little swings, showing the highs at 2424 levels while the lows at 2350 before closing the week above 2400 levels. Can we expect this bullish momentum to continue, as we can see a very good base is formed here? Or there is a possibility of a reversal, as it is also showing a resistance on the upside. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, let me share that this is the only channel to give you two updates a day and the targets so that you can trade profitably every day. First with the Asia session, next with the US session. These two updates are crucial. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. First, we'll look into charts and indicators. Towards the end, I will share the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. Let's first have a look at the 4-hour chart. See, on the 4-hour charts, rise, consolidation, rise, consolidation, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now see, bigger moves are observed here, and then higher lows and higher highs are seen. Gold is trading in this channel. Now on the downside, 2370 levels are going to remain crucial for gold to break below. If it trades below 2370 and then below 2350, we can say that it is turning bearish, and then it can fall towards 2300 levels. So these two levels in the coming week are going to remain crucial. Very clear here. Moving averages, trading with divergence, this is still a very bullish sign for gold. Second thing is, look at the formation here. It is retest towards 20 period, again bounce. If you look at the closing of the week, see, after showing a one bullish candle, it has retest, taken the support, bounce back. Lower highs are seen. So it suggests that there are resistances on the ups, and beyond 2420, 2425 levels, you can say gold will turn further bullish, and then we can see it moving towards possibly the record highs. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge here on the 4-hour charts. The RSI is very near to overbought zone. Coming to day, now see, earlier in my observations, daily analysis and weekly analysis, I've shared one thing. Look at the highs here. You can see the lows here are beautifully delivering. Higher lows are seen here and higher highs are seen. This is a sideways yet moderately bullish channel. Where are the highs of this? Towards 2455, 2460 zone. This is going to be the highs. It can try to scale, even if it is bearish, it can try to scale towards this highs before reversing. This is one possibility you cannot ignore. But if you look at the move, see, on the daily charts, what has happened? It has retraced here. Nice flag formation was seen, then formed a base, and it is now trading in this bullish channel. Moving averages, again looking upwards, trading with divergence, staying bullish, and higher lows are consistently seen and higher highs are seen as well. Now it is very important for gold to break below 2370 and 2350 levels. Now 2350 is a crucial support zone. It needs to break in order to turn bearish here, else it is not bearish. Now if you look at the daily charts, what has happened in the last candle, we can see lower highs are seen and it is closed in red. So the next candle possibly would like to retrace a little, and I will definitely observe if there is any signs of reversal, and if it trades below 2370, 2350 zone. Else what it can do, it for a couple of days it can retrace and then bounce back. It can still stay or trade in the bullish channel. Stochastic rising, MACD, if you look at earlier, I have shared several times, first, second, and after this dip here, it is now crossed over and looking upwards, trading with divergence, staying RSI comfortable here on the daily charts. Coming to weekly, now if you look at the weekly charts, see, similar observation what we have seen on the daily chart. See, this could be the beginning of another round of rally. Possibility is there. If you look at the movement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now see, it has formed a very strong support here at 2300 levels, and 20 period moving average is also sitting at 2300 level. Now if you observe the last few movements here, you will find whenever it consolidates like this, it increases the chance of another round of rally here. This could lead to another round of rally. You have to be extremely watchful and careful here. If you look at the last few trading sessions or last few weeks here, you will find it is looking upwards, trading bullish. Only thing here is couple of resistances on the upside it needs to break past by. First, I will say 2425 levels, 2430 levels. These are going to be a very good resistance for the coming week. Then I will say 2450 levels, the second one, and then I will say 2475 will come into picture. So these three levels are very, very important for gold in the coming week. First, 24, 25, 24, 30. Second, 24.50. And then third is towards 24.75. Beyond this, gold is looking forward to a round of rise towards 2500 levels. Be watchful, it has formed a very, very good base. But only concern point which I am having right now, see the bullishness is there, but if you look at the last candle, the tail is bigger, the body size is smaller, suggests that the bulls are a bit exhausted. And if you see gold trading below 2350 any point of time, you can say that the bears are back, and then 2320 and 2300 it needs to break. That will confirm the reversal. If you look at the formation, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise. And see, at this point I mentioned symmetrical formation, almost symmetrical move is done. It could reverse, but right now it is not showing any such sign. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising, that is also a good sign here. And look at MACD. See MACD here, first wave, second wave, and see the red part of this wave is yet to be there. It is not showing any signs of reversal. What has happened? It has crossed over here. Now again converging. If it could have been bearish, we could have seen it divergence, and the coming week is going to be crucial, which is going to decide the direction which gold is willing to take. If it crosses over here, it is going to lead to double top, means next few weeks are again going to remain bullish here. Thus this is going to be something which we should be watchful of. Remember, it can move to double top before falling, and if it stays bullish for next few weeks, we can in fact expect it to move towards higher highs and record highs 2550, 2600 if it crosses over. So the coming week is going to be decisive, because a breakout candle in the coming week will make it crossover, and that breakout candle is also going to set the direction for the next few weeks. RSI rising. So coming week is definitely going to be a make or break week for gold here. Now coming to month. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, and the broker which offers SAF free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now coming to monthly chart, see why there is a possibility of a reversal. You should look at these formations. See, price was extremely outside Bollinger Bands. What has happened in the current month? It has opened on a flat note and it has continued to trade bullish. It has moved outside Bollinger Bands. Higher highs are. Now if you draw a parallel, see the highs are connected, the lows are connected, and this is almost a parallel channel here, and that is why it is going to be important for gold to break beyond 24, 25, 24, 30 zone in order to at least move towards 2460 and 2475. In fact, beyond that is also possible. So this is one point you should be very, very careful of. It could reverse again, because now see why it could reverse. First of all, the preceding candle you should look. What is the preceding candle? It is a candle of indecision. When you see this, you can see bigger bullish candles, then diminishing bullishness, and then a reversal candle has appeared. Now in this month itself, it could reverse and fall extremely. Remember, it could fall and reverse. So the current levels, the 24, 25, 24, 30 is the level which is going to be a decision factor for gold for this rest of the month. If you see it trading above this, we can say double top at least towards 2450, and if it breaks this, we can say gold has turned extremely bullish. It is going to head towards 2500, 2520 levels also. But as long as it stays below this, the chances of a reversal will be very, very high, because the preceding candle is a indecision candle. It is also a possibility of a reversal, and the fall from the current levels is going to be extreme. Yes, if it drops from the current levels. Now why this could drop? If you look at the formation, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and it is just resumed its upward trend here. Also, if you connect the dots, higher lows, higher highs here, and if it reverses from the current level, at least there is going to be a sharper correction if it reverses. Right now, it is not showing any such sign. My only worry point is the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average, because see, whenever it tries to diverge, it always follow with a convergence here. Stochastic entering into overbought zone. Look at MACD. This is trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking up, and this is already seen a very good run here towards the. Only question is, if on the weekly chart there is a crossover, if the MACD hits the double top or higher highs here before entering into a leg of correction. What has happened here? What has happened here? So the only question is how high it can take the prices towards. RSI is back to overbought zone. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. And yes, do join the mentorship batch in the Signals channel. That will add lot much to your trading decisions. Also, you can be part of the free Telegram channel for live updates. Now, let's talk about the levels to buy. Only buying entry in the coming week is about 2418 levels. 2418, 2425. This is the zone where we are going to see maximum resistance, and then towards 2432. If these three levels are taken, consider that the bulls are in action here. This is going to be a critical resistance zone. Beyond this, we can look forward to 2446 levels, 2446, 2450 levels. And if it breaks this, I will look forward to 2472, 2480 zone, the next resistance zone. Breaking beyond this, the chances of gold moving towards 25, 20, 25, 50 will be very, very high, and this is going to remain gold trading about 25, 24, 50, 2475 zone. Remember, it is going to scale towards higher highs, and a stronger bullish momentum may prevail. Thus, you have to be trading with caution, specifically at these levels. On the downside, where to sell? Now, I will recommend a selling entry now at, see, first entry is at 2402. Expect 2394.92 as the first support zone. Then 2384.86 as the next support zone. If it breaks below this, the bearishness will increase. The strongest support is at 2370. If it breaks this, then we can expect 2350, and breaking 2350 is where the bears will take over. We can look forward to 2325 and then 2300 levels. Remember, if gold reverses in the coming week, if gold trades bearish in the coming week, it is going to lead to a stronger fall here. I am cautioning you, the rise or the fall, either which ways, the breakout is going to be a stronger one. Thus, you should be taking your position with caution. The direction it takes is going to remain the direction for the next few weeks. The possibility of looking at the charts, it suggests that there has to be a bullish breakout. But looking at the movement right now and the overpriced gold level suggests that the reversal is not going to be too far. So it can be next week as well. So you have to be trading with caution. Just stick to the levels. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel, and do not miss to watch the twice a day updates for gold. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week and a happy weekend. Thank you.